Are you looking for the best upholstery cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best upholstery cleaners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the COSTWAY Multipurpose Steam Cleaner. This multipurpose steam cleaner includes 19 attachments which make it capable of taking on a variety of cleaning tasks around the home. When it comes to cleaning upholstery, the steam jet nozzle and nylon brushes are especially helpful. Functional accessories such as a moffett, brass utility brushes, a scrubbing pad, and a squeegee facilitate cleaning and sanitizing not only upholstery, but also sealed floors, bathroom tile, kitchen appliances, and children's toys. The 16 feet power cord and 79 inches steam hose, as well as the wheels, a rolling caster, and ergonomically designed curved handle offer ample maneuverability for reaching numerous surfaces in the home. In addition to removing dirt, grime, spills, and messes, this steam cleaner sanitizes household surfaces, unseen and undesirable intruders such as germs, bacteria, viruses, mold spores, and bedbugs are no match for the 226-degree Fahrenheit pressurized steam. The COSTWAY steam cleaner holds 52 ounces of water in its tank, heating it to produce steam in under 10 minutes. It delivers 45 minutes of continuous steam cleaning time. The unit measures 17 inches by 11 inches by 14 inches and weighs 10.8 pounds. Up next in the 4th place is the McCulloch Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. This versatile steam cleaner is a bigger investment than a bottle of spray, but the McCulloch Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner is worth it for its versatility. It uses hot, pressurized steam to cut through a range of stains including grease and mold. The 15 feet cord and 9 feet steam hose makes it easy to reach the stain without having the machine underfoot. Equipped with 18 accessories, including a squeegee, nylon and brass brushes, and microfiber pads, no stain will survive. Customers especially appreciate the large capacity water tank that heats up in less than 8 minutes and lasts up to 45 minutes of use. You can tackle a tough job without repeated refilling. The rolling canister design makes it easy to use anywhere in the house. Chemical-free, this cleaner earns top ratings from customers because it gets good and hot. Over 200 degrees F. That also means that the machine can cause burns if be used improperly, so be sure to read that instruction booklet before you begin. Many users also report that this steam cleaner was among the few that successfully beat pesky bed bugs without harmful chemicals. The 3rd product on our list is the McCulloch MC1375 Canister Steam Cleaner. Thanks to its canister design, this steamer houses a large capacity water tank that delivers up to 90 minutes of continuous steam cleaning power. The tank holds 48 ounces of regular tap water, and it heats to more than 200 degrees Fahrenheit in under 12 minutes. The on-demand, variable steam flow system allows users to dial in an exact steam flow from low pressure up to 58 pounds per square inch. Accessing hard-to-reach spaces is easy thanks to an 18 feet power cord and a 10 feet steam hose. With 20 included accessories, this unit can take on a multitude of house cleaning tasks, in addition to refreshing upholstery. This steamer works on ceramic tile, sealed flooring, grout, and more. It measures 15.55 inches by 12.13 inches by 10.5 inches and weighs 10.78 pounds. Second on our list is the Bissell SpotClean Professional Portable Carpet Cleaner. Although Bissell's cleaning solutions are not generally environmentally friendly, the company's upholstery cleaning machines are great at what they do. The Bissell SpotClean Pro 3624 tested at the top of the heap among portable upholstery cleaners. When tested on a cream-colored rug, it successfully removed dried-on bacon grease, red wine, egg batter, and black ink. Both easy to use and easy to clean. This machine uses hot tap water in an easy-to-fill 0.75-gallon tank compared to its competition. You won't have to refill this portable cleaner as frequently. It weighs 13 pounds and has a generous 22 feet cord. The SpotClean's powerful motor makes it a little louder than some other units. It's best suited for spot and stain removal, rather than larger cleaning jobs like wall-to-wall carpeting. Finally, the top product on our list is the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. Like some of the other steam cleaners here, the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner works without chemicals thanks to steam. This cleaner heats tap water up to 275 degrees in just 7 minutes. Its 54-ounce tank makes it perfect for cars, because that large capacity will give you up to 50 minutes of cleaning time without having to run inside for a refill. The 16 feet cord, 6 feet hose, and lightweight versatility allows you to reach into the tightest spots of your vehicle. The neat steam cleaner works well on both leather and fabric seats, as well as harder surfaces like door jambs, windows, consoles, or engines. Its smooth rolling wheels make for easy movement while you work, while the low moisture ratio doesn't leave surfaces overly wet. Its powerful heat can clean and disinfect many other household surfaces, killing 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, mold, and bedbugs. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.